G'day and welcome to a long overdue update on Project XB. I'm a little grayer, I'm a little fatter, but the car is still the same as it was. I'd like to thank Travis for the lend of the trailer and my brothers and my mate Andy for helping me load it onto the trailer. The car has been transported from its original location in Brisbane into a town where I live now called Chinchilla. It's about 320 k's from Brisbane. So yeah, this is its new home, and this is where I'm gonna pick up where I left off. I still have a few things on the back burner I need to take care of first and get the remaining bits of the car out here. But I suppose the next thing I'd like to do is get my hands on a rotisserie, so I can probably start getting underneath this thing and cleaning it up and sealing it in. So that's pretty much it all I have to say in this video. Again, sorry for the delay in between videos, but life gets in the way sometimes, and you know, c'est la vie. I look forward to getting back into this thing and taking you along for the ride. Cheers. One thing I forgot to mention was that we wanted to actually film the moving process. However, the rain and the weather prevented that from happening, and we just concentrated on getting the thing safely onto a trailer and transported out here. But yeah, I'll also introduce you to a new sidekick. But we did have some photos, so I'll show them now. Cheers.